So hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss June 2025 cost accounting suggest answers. So now we will be seeing question number 2A. So Standard Engineering Limited manufactures and sells standard size of machine. The SEL submits the following details for the accounting year ended 31st March 2025. Sales 90 lakhs, purchase of raw material for the year 34 lakhs, direct labor 16 lakhs, inventories at the beginning. So work in progress, finished goods. So raw materials at the beginning and at the end of the year. Inventories, work in progress, finished goods. So usually we will be having three types of stocks. One is raw material, that is initial stage, whatever we are purchasing as it is, it won't be converted. So that means if I am purchasing a raw material from the shop, it will be kept as it is. There is no progress in that. So if I am started to converting it, that is I have to put some labor, right? So in that stage, it will be work in progress. So manufacturing overheads, everything will be included in that. Once that material is 100% converted, that is fully converted into final product, that is my finished goods. So third stage is finished goods. So first stage of inventory is raw materials, second stage is work in progress, and third stage is finished goods. So in that order only we will be adjusting in our cost sheet. So this is a problem based on cost sheet. So factory overheads were 60% of direct labor cost, administrative overheads 6% of sales are not related to production activity. So this is the point where your answer will get differs. Actually, in this, you don't have any calculations, nothing, but it is a very simple vanilla problem. But here we are having a twist, that is administrative overheads not related to the production activity. So usually my finished goods will comes after administrative overheads, right? So many people will get confused of where raw materials adjustment will come for opening and closing. So usually raw material adjustment will be coming at the stage of prime cost, that is my opening material plus purchase minus closing, that is treated to be my materials consumed. So that is done at the stage of computing prime cost. After that we will be incurring manufacturing overheads. So in that stage we will be doing adjustment for opening and closing work in progress. After that we will be calculating administrative overheads. So in that stage, we will be giving adjustment for finished goods, opening and closing finished goods. So in this particular sum, my production activity is no way related for administrative overheads. That means my production is completed at the stage of incurring this manufacturing. So this makes our answer different. Even though my final answer is same, because there is no calculations in this, I'm not going to calculate any opening or closing finished goods. But this step will makes my answer looks different. Even though my final answer is same, my stepwise answer will be different. So please note that point. Selling and distribution overheads were 12% of sales. You are required to prepare a cost and profit statement for the year ended 31st March 2025. So we are going to prepare cost sheet. So cost and profit statement for the year ended 31st March 2025. So first I start with raw material consumed. So opening raw material. So opening raw material is 80,000 in this question. At the beginning of the year, 80,000. add purchase. So purchase of raw materials for the year 34 lakhs less closing raw material. So closing they have given 1,30,000. So my raw materials consumed is 33 lakh 50,000. So then we need to include direct labor 16 lakhs. So this will give us prime cost. So now I need to include manufacturing overheads. So here factory overheads were 60% of direct labor cost. So in direct labor, I want to calculate 60%. So that means 9,60,000 will be my factory overheads. So my here I need to give adjustment for work in progress. So you had opening work in progress, that is 1,20,000 less closing work in progress, that is 2,20,000. So I will be getting 58 lakh 10,000 as my factory cost. So usually my problem will be like this. So factory cost I will put. After that I will add this thing administrative overheads. But in this case administrative overheads is not related to productivity. So I should not add administrative overheads. Before that I want to give adjustment for add opening finished goods. So remember, if my administrative overheads is not part of production, then I want to give adjustment for opening finished goods and in the stage of work in progress itself. And that is after calculating factory cost itself. So my finished goods opening 3,60,000. So less closing finished goods, that is 2,20,000. So now at this stage, I will be having cost of production. So after finished goods adjustment, I will be getting cost of production. So this is my cost of production. So then administration overheads 6% of sales. That is my sales is 90 lakhs. So in that 6%, so 5,40,000. Sorry, here closing work in progress is 1,80,000. I considered it wrongly, 2,20,000. So I'm changing it now. So my administrative overheads, after adding my administrative overheads, I want to Calculate selling and distribution rates also. So selling and distribution overhead 12% on sales, that is 90 lakhs into 12%. So my cost of sales will be 76 lakh 10,000. So here my profit should be calculated. Sales is 90 lakhs. So my profit will be 90 minus 76 lakh 10,000. So 13 lakh 90,000. So here in this problem, even though if you are not adjusting finished goods here, if you are adjusting after administrative audits, your profit will be same, but you will lose the step marks because here the marks will be given for calculating prime cost, factory cost, like that only they will be giving marks, not for the final step, right? So here you will your cost of production will go wrong. If you are giving administrative audits, your cost of production will goes wrong, right? So obviously you won't get marks. So please remember, uh, if it is not given, this not related to production activity, you want to adjust after administrative audits only, not before that. So friends, please remember this point and calculate. Thank you for watching this video.